Okay, the unboxing of my 3D printer. Let's see what's inside this thing. There's a lot of parts in here. This is going to be fun. Okay, what do we got here? Hopefully everything's in here. Oh, look at that. We got some tools. Here it is. All the parts laid out. Here's the print bed. Some rods here. Here's all the pieces, the frame, the acrylic, and I have to peel off all these stickers. That's going to take a while. There's the motors, the Z motors, X motor, Y motors, a bunch of cables. Then we got some more brackets and some metal parts. It looks like a fan. It looks like a little printed fan shroud. I don't know what's in that box yet. The power supply is here, and there's some protective cables there. This looks like the LCD, and they provided some tools. So I don't know where the instructions are. Maybe online, or maybe in this box there's a CD. So let's find out. Okay, it took a half hour to get that paper off the acrylic here. So, okay, so they gave me a screwdriver that absolutely sucks. So I'm going to go down and get the stairs and get a real screwdriver. Okay. Okay. Nifty. It's a good fit. Okay, okay. Don't know how tight I can make these things. I don't want to break them. Let's see here. This stupid shit that I can't see. Okay, I guess that's all good. Everything's tight in here. Time to install the X-Rod motor. Okay, so let's see here.
Towards Asia and Hawaii. It's the most beautiful island in the world. Just from my research. The Trump shouldn't escalate. Well, we keep appeasing North Korea. The Clintons gave them nuclear reactors. That's who you blame. Non-fiction film based on a true story.
Well, it's working. I got it printing something, some test file on the SD card, some box or something.